बोल क्या नाम है तेरा?
जॉनी मेरा नाम है।
Hi, this is Sriram Raghavan, and we are talking about the making of Johnny Gaddar. So, why Johnny Gaddar is just a little kind of a homage, whatever, to Vijay Anand and Johnny Menon. ठीक, बिंदास चल। उनका स्टोरी 5 दोस्तों की कहानी है जो पार्टनर्स है, फ्रेंड्स है। यंगेस्ट इज 23 years old, that is नील नितिन मुकेश, and oldest is धर्मजी। ये 5 friends who get together and plan one caper, and one of these 5 decides to double cross his own partners, and what happens after that? I needed somebody who was really young and who had no preconceived image, people know nothing about him, so that because the character has got certain shades which are complex, which are slightly, I want people to discover this person.
Johnny?
We did a screen test, we did an audition, then we did about 2 months workshop with him, and after which we said, okay, this guy can possibly play this role.
I'm playing a character called Vikram. Vikram is one of the 5 friends, and who are not so nice guys, and he wants to make money fast.
Hey Johnny, matlab hi hai asliya. Hey Johnny.
The fact that the character has so many layers to it, he's an innocent guy, he's not so innocent. He's in trouble, he's not in trouble. He's in love, he's not in love, so there's so many layers to it that actually attracts any actor, any newcomer to probably do this kind of role.
जो भी होगा सर, आपसे बच नहीं पाएगा। आप तो चेहरा देखते ही पहचान जाते हैं।
ये डील मैं अकेले भी कर सकता हूँ।
When I was writing the script, I felt that the ideal guy to play this role would be Dharamji, because Dharamji has got a certain emotional quotient or something about him which is very there's a goodness about him, and so even though he's playing a racketeer or a gangster or whatever, you still like him as a person.
बहुत अच्छा लगा जॉनी गद्दार में काम करते हुए। ये मेरे पास आए तो मुझे जैसे पता चला इनकी मैं पिक्चर देख चुका था, एक हसीना थी, तो मैंने कहा मैं रियली जी नहीं चाहता कि मैं कहानी सुनूं, तो उन्होंने फिर भी मुझे मेरा किरदार सुनाया। बहुत अच्छा लगा, और मैं यकीन के साथ कह सकता हूं ये पिक्चर यंगस्टर्स को भी, बड़ों को भी, सबको बेहद पसंद आएगी। इट इज़ सो वेल कंसीव्ड कि इसमें हर तरह की सिचुएशन मुझे मिली है। कहीं कोई मुझे अपने बेटे जैसा लगा, कहीं कोई भाई जैसा लगा।
I realized he's a extremely sharp, attentive man who could pick out flaws, add to scenes, do so many things. There's so many inputs he's given me on this movie that it's been a wonderful experience working with him. I find him hot and as hot as ever.
It's not the age, it's the mileage.
I remember we were doing this scene where 5 of us are sitting on a table. It was a round trolley shot, and a lot of us had improvised out there. So I had already made up my mind what I'm going to do, you know, because Dharamji was sitting on my right hand side, and you know, and right after I was supposed to speak, he was going to speak. So I had all that in mind. I said my cue, I gave my dialogue, and I had my hand on the table. And he kept his hand on my hand, and oh my god, I started fumbling. Oh my god, I was so nervous, I can't even tell you. But then eventually he broke the ice. He told me so many stories of my grandfather and him together, how my grandfather gave playback for his first song, in fact.
Neil is going to be a big actor. उसमें है, बच्चे में कॉन्फिडेंस भी है, लुक्स भी हैं, कि फट से चेंज ओवर भी कर लेता है जैसा वो. आई थिंक ही इज गोइंग टू बी ए बिग स्टार अमंग दिस गैलेक्सी ऑफ स्टार्स.
फिल्म में मेरे कैरेक्टर का जो नाम है वो है मिनी, और इसमें बहुत सारे शेड्स हैं कैरेक्टर में, क्योंकि ये कैरेक्टर किसी एक चीज़ में मतलब पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करती. ये कैरेक्टर बहुत चीज़ों में पार्टिसिपेट करती है, और उसके लिए ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स बहुत आते हैं फिल्म में. तो और बहुत अनएक्सपेक्टेड एंड है फिल्म का, तो इसलिए बहुत सब कुछ एकदम अलग है फिल्म में.
See, it's always fun casting against type, especially, I mean, Rimi I've seen only in comedies, and so I met her, she had liked Hasina very much, and she said, I must do a film like that. I said, it's a film I can't do again, and I don't have also, but I'm doing this movie, you just check it out. And it's not like you're playing a heroine in the conventional sense, you're playing a character. And I told her the story of the film, and she kind of completely, she said, yeah, it's not a huge role, but she wanted to do it, and she wanted to work with us. So in a sense, it was great working with her, and I feel she is a terrific actress.
वो स्विच ऑन स्विच ऑफ एक्ट्रेस हैं, वो एक सेकंड में अपने रोल को ग्रैस्प कर लेती हैं.
नील के साथ काम करके मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. एज यूजुअल, अगर मतलब अच्छा लगा, मतलब अच्छा बोलना ही पड़ेगा, इसलिए बोल रही हूँ.
जब मैंने पहली बार स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी या जब श्री राम ने मुझे सुनाया, मुझे सबसे आकर्षक बात ये लगी कि वो एक गैम्बलर है और एक जुआगर चलाता है और काले धंधे में, लेकिन काला धंधा छोड़ना चाहता है, और एक फैमिली मैन है जिस पे ऊपर वाले का हाथ हो उसको उंगली नहीं करते. When Shriram asked me to play this character, somewhere I was surprised. I was very happy, but I was surprised that somebody could trust me with a role like that, because you know when you do funny roles on television for a long time, very few people trust you with something that is out of the box.
Vinay is a guy I'll cast as much as I can in every movie, because he's like he's a fine actor, and also he's a great bounce board for the script.
मेरा कैरेक्टर जो मुझे जितना समझ में आया और जो मैंने करने की कोशिश की, वो ऐसा लगा जैसे एक आदमी जिसके लिए पैसा काफ़ी मायने रखता है और थोड़ा सा रंगीन मिजाज आदमी है.
His first movie was Ek Hasina Thi, where he had a 1-minute role. And when we were casting for this guy, he said, okay, let's call Zakir. And this time it's like the opposite. He's got a huge role. He's done a fabulous job. And
अगर आप कोई नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर कर रहे हैं तो एक थोड़ी सी पॉजिटिविटी कहीं ना कहीं अंदर अपने, चाहे स्क्रिप्ट में हो चाहे नहीं हो, वो एक रखनी चाहिए, सोच के लेवल पे रखी जा सकती है, तो उससे कैरेक्टर में कलर आने लगता है.
मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. The other guy who's, I think, doing a film for the first time is Daya Shetty, who's been on CID for the last 7 or 8 years, I think. He's got a terrific presence. He's a good actor.
ये बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग टफ कैरेक्टर है, ताकतवर आदमी है, जिस पर बाकी के जो ग्रुप के मेंबर्स हैं उनको काफ़ी भरोसा है, और मेरे हिसाब से काफ़ी एप्ट हूँ मैं इस रोल के लिए. और मुझे लगा कि इवन डायरेक्टर का कन्विक्शन था, उन्होंने जब फ़ोन किया तो उन्होंने यही कहा कि इस रोल के लिए मैं तुम्हारे अलावा किसी को सोच नहीं सकता.
I had Zakir, I had Vinay, Dharamji, Daya and Neil. So between this, there's one rank newcomer, there's one complete veteran who needs no, who's a great guy, great actor, and there are three actors who are theatre-based and television. So this mix gave us a lot of interesting dynamics. Action! On the one hand, we designed it. On the other hand, it was also very improvised. I mean, between them, as they're rehearsing the scene, they'll come up with some line. I'll say, this sounds like a great line, let's use it. And within 5 minutes, that's part of the movie.
Like Shriram, he's so open to improvisation. जो सीन शायद श्रीराम ने मतलब पिछले 3 साल से लिख के रखा हुआ है और फ्लोर पे वो सीन शूट हो रही है, और अगर कुछ ऐसा सजेशन आया कि वो सीन ही बदल गया, वो डायलॉग्स ही बदल गए, तो एंड ही इज़ फाइन विद इट. इफ ही इज़ कन्विंस्ड, ही इज़ फाइन विद इट.
मैं एक जगह ऐसे निकल गया मेरे मुंह से कि हम लोग जो भी कुछ करते हैं फॉर क्विक मनी, ये पहले मजबूरी होती है, ये मजबूरी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ज़रूरत, और ज़रूरत आदत बन जाती है.
एक्चुअली ये फिल्म का थीम है, जो बोलते बोलते आपने कह दिया. हाँ, तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लाइंस हमने इनकॉर्पोरेट किए, जो हालांकि पीछे वो इसमें पोस्टर में लिखा होगा कि रिटन बाय एंड ऑल दैट, एक्चुअली इज रिटन बाय. No. I met Shankar Ehsaan Loy, and I told him I need one song in this movie. So Shankar asked me, what do you want the song to say really? I said, in short, it is life is a gamble. That was the idea of the movie, the theme of the movie. Life is a gamble. And as we were even discussing, Ehsaan behind was just strumming something on the guitar, which he was just in that mood, of the riff of the title song.
Then next thing, Shankar started jamming, and the whole tune fell in place. Yeah. So we called up Shriram and said, "Boss, come, we've got like an idea." He came straight back and he loved it.
छोटी सी जिंदगी गहरी सी जेब है, बाकी तो जाने मन बातों के सेब है. बातें हैं, सब साली बातें हैं, कहते हैं फिर भूल जाते हैं.
जिंदगी जुआ है खेल यार,
जानी करता आज नगद फिर कल उधार. जानी मतलब ही है असली यार. जानी.
So the second song which we wanted was a kind of a little club kind of a song, which the reference was दुनिया में लोगों को धोखा कभी हो जाता है. अपना देश, राजेश खन्ना, again early 70s. So again they worked out a number called Dhoka, which is, in the film is there only for a little time, but the actual song is quite rich and vibrant, and it will again remind you of those Helen and Mumtaz numbers.
कोई तितली शोला बनी, कौन जीते हार कौन, अंधेरा या रोशनी, है जहर या है दवा, है कहर या है दुआ, जाने किसके साथ होगा धोखा. कैसे गहरी बात है.
They did these 2 songs, and I got a little more greedy after that, and so we said, okay, I had just seen Hardcore on television. She had come to Delhi for some program, and there was an interview with her, and I thought it would be cool if we can have one song from her.
So she came down and we kind of jammed for a day, had a kind of very rough wireframe, and she went back and wrote lyrics to that, and then we came back to the studio and recorded the final song.
What's up? It's Hardcore. We're right here. Hit me. Watch out.
Move your body, baby. Move your body, baby.
Loiser, give me those turn of this. Yeah, I'll do that. Ready, sound.
Gotta move ya, gotta move ya, gotta move
it's a fun album, and but the sound is very unique, and it goes with the texture of the film because it's a thriller and it's a great film to begin with. So we had fun doing this project.
There was this train sequence. It's an action sequence on a train at night, and it's a speeding train. So we were not sure how to go about doing it. So we decided to do it on an actual train. Let's hire a train. But he said, "Are you mad? I mean, how can you light up and how can you do this and so on?"
And finally, we ended up shooting on a real train, and I had to design a lot of things to shoot within a train, which helped a lot in making that film, making that scene more dramatic. And shooting within a loop was like definitely an accident which happened, which we never thought we'd be able to manage.
But we just pushed something and there was a space for the camera and you can shoot inside the loop.
So we actually shot in a real loop, and it looks amazing, and it contributes a lot to that scene. The problem which I had was the width of the passage in the train was so small that when you put the camera, there is very little space around it. So I had to make a structure which would fit within that, and still I can hang the camera. So all the movements were incorporated with that mechanism.
That really makes the scene sequence work like. I mean, in the hall when you see it, you'll actually feel you're in the train, which is a great thing. Action in movies, I think, should be something which we should relate to them. In today's movies, especially the kind of movie Johnny is, it should be believable. I mean, it should be believable action in the sense this can actually happen. So, even though we had a terrific fight choreographer, Parvez Bhai, and so what we used to do is, I mean, he'll work out some elaborate stunt. I said, no, this is okay for your guys because you guys are trained in that, but can my character do this? Can these two characters fight like this? Because so we used to actually, I mean, do things, try it out ourselves. Okay, can I physically do this? And of course, I mean, we were all very careful, and it might look funny while rehearsing, but at least I knew, okay, this is possible. If it's possible, then how best we shoot it, what angles we take, and all that is like, let's rework it out. When we were scripting this film and when we got into actually making the film, so I just remembered all those movies I saw as a kid. So I met Danny, I showed him the film, and he kind of got the vibe. The first thing he came out and said कि ये music एक डब्बे से नहीं आने वाला है.
The treatment that I am thinking of in this film would be something like Quentin Tarantino meets Kalyanji Anandji, or Kalyanji Anandji gets together with Quentin Tarantino, and that kind of sound. First we said we'll go and create music, do all our homework first, decide what to have when, what to have what, and get it all written down and go to a studio and record it on manual tape.
There was this guy Franco Vaz who has worked with R.D. Burman since Warrant. So he was there doing the drums and percussion for us.
I'll just tell you, just few accents, 3
and
accents.
then we used timpanis, bongo, live drum, and various instruments that Franco himself had. And then we went ahead and we got the brass section, which trumpet, trombone.
Then there are others violinists who have worked actually with Kalyan Janji while Johnny Veeram ka background music was being recorded. So for me it was a big high, and that 1 month in the basement of Empire Studio was like, I mean, I didn't know how that month went, and I think we've got very interesting stuff.
Fourth beat पे समझो.
ठीक है नहीं, पर ये उसने होल्ड नहीं हम ये लेना पड़ेगा।
कीप रोलिंग। As we were going through the background score, suddenly in certain places I felt we should have one little song, maybe playing in a radio, or that song should be felt somewhere in people's head.
Danny Swanand and his gang has recreated songs which look like, oh, sounds like a 50s Geeta Bali number. That sounds like a early 70s Asha Bhosle number.
There was a lot of energy with around 25-30 people all the time together, and with this kind of a group activity, this background score has come up.
अच्छा चलो टॉपिक चेंज करते हैं.
Favorite thriller film, there must be lots of them, but if I try to name only Hindi movies, I mean, I would say definitely Jewel Thief and Teesri Manzil.
Lock, Stock and Two Smoking Barrels,
जॉनी मेरा नाम,
Snatch,
Jugnu. I love As for Jungle.
Blackmail, Johnny Gaddar, Johnny Gaddar.
People ask me which movie is Johnny Gaddar inspired from, so I'll give it out. The secret is inspired from Johnny Guitar, Johnny Handsome, Johnny Mnemonic, Johnny Dangerously, Johnny I Love You, Johnny Mera Naam. There are 240 movies with Johnny in the title, so it's inspired by all of them.
I just want to tell people that come and see Johnny Gaddar because it's a superb film.
ये जिंदगी के रास्ते हैं हंसी, ये जिंदगी के रास्ते हैं हंसी.